Good morning all. Myself Praveen Sharma. So today we discuss about the topic emergency and disaster. So any previous knowledge about the topic emergency, what is the emergency and what is the disaster? So emergency, first of all discuss about the emergency. Introductions. Emergency is an unforeseen combination of circumstances which calls for immediate actions. एमरजेंसी एक इवेंट होता है, सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग क्रिएट होता है और उस पर किस प्रकार से हम एक्शन लेते हैं वो एक सिचुएशन पर डिपेंड करता है. इट इज ए सिचुएशन दैट पोसेस एन इमीडिएट रिस्क टू हेल्थ, लाइफ, प्रॉपर्टी और इन्वायरमेंट. सो नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशंस. एमरजेंसी इज सडन, अनएक्सपेक्टेड और impending situations that may cause injury, loss of life, damage to the property and or interference with the normal activities of a person and society or require immediate attention and remedial actions. Emergency means immediate threatening to life, health, properties and environments, and health already caused loss of life, health determinants, property damage or environmental damage have a high probability of escalating to cause immediate danger of life. Next one, disasters. Disaster is an occurrence arising with little or warning which cause serious disruption of life and perhaps death or injury to large number of pupils. It may be natural or man-made that cause destruction and deviations which cannot be relieved without assistance. Next definition according to WHO, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जो कन्फर्मेटरी डेफिनेशंस जो दिया है डिजास्टर का, वो ये दिया है कि WHO के द्वारा अक्यूरेंस दैट कॉजेज डैमेज, इकोनॉमिक डिस्ट्रप्शन, लॉस ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ और डिटोरिएशन ऑफ हेल्थ एंड हेल्थ सर्विसेज ऑन स्केल सफिशिएंट टू वारंट एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी response from outside the affected communities area. According to WHO, जो डेफिनेशन दिया गया है, डैमेज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक, ऑफ हेल्थ एंड हेल्थ सर्विसेज, लॉस ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेज, सो ड्यू टू वारंट एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी रेस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द इफेक्टेड कम्युनिटी और एरिया. Next, disaster management. Disaster management can be defined as the organization and management of resources and responsibilities for dealing with all humanitarian aspects of emergency, in particular preparedness, response and recovery in order to lessen the impact of disaster. Next, according to disaster management training program, disaster management is the body of policy, administrative decisions and operational activities required to prepare for mitigate risk plan. Disaster management usually refers to the natural catastrophes such as fire, flooding, earthquakes. Related techniques include crisis management and contingency management, risk management. Disaster emergency management is the discipline of dealing with and avoiding risk. It involves preparing for disaster before it happens. Disaster response like emergency evacuation, quarantine, mass decontamination, as well as support the rebuilding society after natural or human-made disasters like have occurred. So types of disaster. First of all, we discuss about the natural disaster like example earthquake, flooding, hurricane, tsunami. Like man-made disasters like nuclear accidents, industrial accidents. Next, hybrid disaster So spread of diseases in community, global warming areas के अंदर, levels of disaster, level third disaster considered a minor disaster. This involve minimal level of damage. Level second disaster considered a moderate disaster. The local and community resources has to be mobilized to manage this situation. So level disaster, third one is the considered a massive disaster. This involve a massive level of damage with severe impact. Next one, phases of disaster management. Different phases of disaster management are explained about. The disaster can be managed following phases. First one is the prevention mitigation phase, primary and continuous phase for the prevention of like floods, earthquake, any situations like management. Next, second one, preparedness phase. Preparedness phase in the preparedness for the pre-planning and pre-preparedness for the areas and communities, society. Like impact phase, response phase, recovery phase. Like according to events, according to situations, what is the response for different areas, and what is the recovery phase. Recovery is the what is the condition in the society and community are spread during these conditions. This is the management is the recovery, and what is the your recovery conditions is called as the recovery phase. Next one, prevention mitigation phase. So disaster mitigation refers to action measure can either prevent the occurrence of disaster, reduce severity of risks according to American Red Cross Society. And mitigation activities include awareness, education and disaster prevention measurement. Preparedness phase, like disaster preparedness is to ongoing multi-sectoral activity which vary from country to country and include personal preparedness, professional preparedness and community preparedness. Third, 3-1 objectives like personal, professionals and community. And organization for professionals of preparedness like hospitals, health professionals, pharmacies, public health departments, rescue personnel, firefighter, municipal or government officials, media, medical examiners, medical supply manufacturers. Impact phase, human suffering, injuries or death, like death of animals, roads, rails, bridge accidents, electric installations, telecommunication, building and other properties are damaged. So disruption of all routine activities of community, acute shortage of food, clothes, shelter and resulting in living problems. Response phase, the level of disaster varies and the management plan mainly based on the severity or extent of the disaster, and measures are taken to prevent the occurrence. Epidemics arrangement are made to provide food, clothes, shelter and drugs. Last is the recovery phase. During this phase, action are taken to repair, rebuild the relocate the damaged homes and business and restore health and economic vitality in the community. So physiological recovery must be addressed by the both victims and relief workers. Should be offered mental health activities and services. And disaster management plan so aims and objectives to optimally prepare staff and institutional resources for effective performance in disaster situations, to make the community aware of the sequential step that could be taken at individual and organization level. And disaster management committee, the disaster management committee is overall responsible for managing the disaster situation. It should have following members like medical superintendents and complete the topic. Thank you.